India has a vast marine coastline of 4,670 miles with 3,827 villages that depends entirely on fishing using nets. This extensive use of nets largely results in ghost nets, which account for roughly 10% of ocean debris, amounting to between 5 lakh to 1 million tons globally. In India alone, an estimated 15,276 tons of these abandoned ghost nets are generated each year. These ghost nets not only pollute the ocean but also pose a severe threat to the marine life. We at Enactus HRC set out to address this problem in the Koli communities of Mumbai and nearby regions, where one community consists of 100 to 150 families. Based on our research, we found that ghost nets often end up in the water due to accidental loss during storms or strong currents, damage that makes retrieval difficult, or deliberate abandonment due to the lack of proper disposal facilities. After conducting extensive research and brainstorming ideas, we came up with something that would not only solve the problem of ghost nets but also provide an opportunity to increase the income of Koli communities, leading to an improved standard of living. And so, Project Samudra Manthan was born. With Project Samudra Manthan, our aim is to collect used ghost nets and repurpose them in collaboration with the Koli community and various NGOs. By turning these discarded nets into marketable products, from which we can also create a sustainable source of income for the Koli community and support their livelihood. Now you might wonder, why fishing nets? Well, these fishing nets are typically handmade by fishing communities and are used for years, showcasing their remarkable durability. Unfortunately, this time durability makes them one of the most harmful types of waste disposed in the water bodies. These abandoned nets can persist for decades, entangling and killing marine life. In fact, millions of marine animals, including fish, turtles, and seabirds, die each year due to ghost nets. By repurposing fishing nets, we aim to reduce this deadly threat and protect marine ecosystems. Our approach also provides a sustainable solution that benefits both the environment and the local communities. To start off our project, we conducted multiple visits to Koli communities to understand possible sourcing, products, and production methods. Eventually, we developed two types of products. The first is Koli bags, durable bags made from discarded nets, which we plan to sell on a larger scale by partnering with retail chains such as Star Bazaar, D-Mart, and others. The second product category includes turf nets and basketball nets, which we aim to market to schools, colleges, and sport complexes. Our project works on a zero-waste model. Any remaining pieces of the nets will be sold to the company to make pellets. We shared a plan with the community to finalize the production process. The Koli communities will sell their old, unusable fishing nets, which they will repair to the best possible condition. The nets will then be thoroughly sanitized with certified chemicals to ensure hygiene and safety. Finally, each product will be hand-stitched by the community members. Further, we have successfully produced prototypes for Koli bags and are now seeking partnerships with various organizations. We plan to apply the same strategy to basketball nets, working with schools, colleges, and other sports bodies. In the future, we will expand by entering the fashion line, creating fancy bags out of these nets. As per our business model, 33.33% of the revenue will be shared among the direct beneficiaries. 36.36% will cover raw material cost. 24.2% will go towards operational cost, and 6.06% will be retained as profit. We expect to generate a monthly revenue of Rs 7,500 by early next year, boosting their income up to 20%. We intend to address up to 13 UN Sustainable Development Goals, and we believe Project Samudra Manthan has the potential to revolutionize coastal India and empower the community for a better future. This is Project Samudra Manthan. This is Sea Waste Reimagined. A head for the business and a heart for the world. We are Enactus HR College.